Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about loop dictionaries. So, loop through a dictionary. You can loop through a dictionary by using a for loop. When looping through a dictionary, the return value are the keys of the dictionary, but there are methods to return the values as well. So, let's jump into our dictionaries notebook and take a look at this. All right, so we're back in our dictionaries notebook. And so you can loop through a dictionary, like I said in the PowerPoint, by using a for loop. So let's do that. Print all the key names in the dictionary one by one, okay? So what I want to do is let's grab our dictionary here. So let's highlight this code right here, copy it, if it lets me, there we go. And then let's paste it here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do for x in our dictionary, colon, print x, okay? Now let's run that and see what happens. So we get company, model, and year, okay? So we get the key names in the dictionary one by one in order, okay? So in the order that we wrote them out. Now to print all the values in the dictionary one by one, we're going to do the same thing, but instead of calling on the key names, we're going to get the values, right? So we're going to do for x in our dictionary, we're going to print, okay, and we're going to do our dictionary, and in brackets, we're going to do x. Okay, so that way it knows what to grab. So let's run that, and now we get Apple, iMac, and 2020, okay? So you can also use the value method to return values of a dictionary. So if we do that, we'll grab all this code here, again, and we'll put it here. And what we'll do is we'll do for x in our dictionary dot values method, okay? We're going to do a colon, and then we'll print x, and we will get the values of the dictionary, okay? So that'll give us Apple, iMac, and 2020. Now to get the keys, we're going to use the same exact code. The only thing that we're going to change is we're going to change it from values to keys. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us the keys here. So these are the keys, these are the values. So when I run that, we're going to get company, model, and year, okay? Then let's loop through both keys and values by using the items method. And what this is going to do is it's going to loop through both of them, and it will print both as well. So what we're going to do is we will grab all this content again, right here. So we'll just grab our dictionary, and then below that we're going to do for x and y in our dictionary dot items method colon, and then we're going to print x and y. I'll run that, and what happens? We get company, Apple, model, iMac, year 2020. Okay, so that's how you loop dictionaries. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.